Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous lovebirds heart-shaped trinket for Valentine's Day gift, or you can also use this as the anniversary gift. And in this video I will share how to create these cutie birds from scratch using air dry clay, and also I will share how to make the base heart-shaped trinket tray from the scratch. Everything is handmade. No mold is used here, and you can use this trinket to put your things like rings, earrings, small clutches. So without any delay, let's get started. I am taking a 13 by 11 centimeter rough paper, folding it from center and quickly making one heart sketch from one side. And now I am just cutting both the layers together to create the heart shape. Here I am making the template to create the trinket tray. So whatever size you want for your trinket tray, you can cut the template according to that, and the shape is ready. Now just pouring little bit of talcum powder on the base, and here I am using air dry modeling clay which is ready made, and just rolling it on the base to make it flat. We should take approx 5 mm thick base. So roll the clay till you get the 5 mm thick base. Now putting my heart shape on this, and we need to trim it from the edge using X-Acto knife or paper cutter. So it will look like this. Now to create edge, here I have already flattened the clay in 5 mm thickness, and now here I am taking 1 centimeter wide strip. And we need total 2 these kind of strips. Now again pouring little talcum powder on the base so that heart will not stick with the base. Putting the heart shape like this, and we need to create some small cuts on all 4 sides, that is on the edge of the heart, so that when we will attach the edge to this or border to this, it will bind together nicely. And now using little glue, applying all over the edge and then sticking both the borders. like this. Then add glue inside the edge of heart, and I'm adding one thin pipe kind of shape all over the design. Like this, and then we have to merge this clay on both the sides, that is on the edge and on the base, so that it will bind everything together and there will be no gap between the edge and base shape. So you have to merge it nicely using any tool. If you find the clay is drying quickly, just add little water and it will be easier to mix it nicely. So completing it till the end. And this is done. I have smoothened this nicely using water. Now allow it to dry for 1 day completely. Then I am starting with making some heart shapes to decorate my trinket. Here I am taking handmade clay in red color and using heart shaped cutters I am making small hearts. Like this, so cute. Then using one more bunch of clay, applying little bit of pink color with this, mix it very well to make nice baby pink clay. And using little bigger size of heart cutter and making some more hearts. Like this. Then I'm starting with making two cute pair of birds, that is lovebirds. So first I'm making the girl bird, and I have created one teardrop shape like this for base body, just folded it from one corner. Putting it on the surface so that we can adhere remaining parts. Now just creating one hole on the neck portion, taking little bit of clay and making a round shape for the face and sticking it on the neck portion using glue. Then taking small quantity of clay, making 3 drop shapes, sticking all 3 together, and the wing is ready. Super easy. So sticking the back side of wing and also left and right sides of the wing with the same method. Then again taking small quantity of clay and making small pipe, curling it from one corner, so that will be the hair of the girl birdie. like this. Then taking small quantity of yellow clay, first we have to make drop shape like this. Now hold the drop from bottom and push it on the base, so you will have nice beak design. Now I'm sticking the beak with the face and also created 2 small circles for eyes. So sticking the eyes as well. And the so cute bird is looking like this. Now I'm decorating the face using this cute bow, and this is done. So pretty. With the similar method I have created the male bird. All the procedure is same. Now I am attaching quickly eyes and beak. Like this. And then I am showing you how to make hat. So here I am taking small quantity of light blue color clay, make a flat circle for the hat base. And for the hat top I am taking one more small dough of clay, rolling it on the finger, create a small pipe, cut from both the sides, make it flat, and the top portion is done. Now sticking the flat portion with the top portion and the hat is ready. So sticking the hat on top of the bird head like this, and also attaching a cute blue color bow on the neck. Now I'm making some more bows using pink colored clay, using the mold to decorate my trinket tray from border. Like this. Similarly I have prepared already some more. Now taking some more quantity of pink color clay, making a flat circle on which our birds will sit. Like this. And I have decorated the circle from edge using these white color semicircles. These are simple circles I have cut into half to create the semicircle and decorated the border. So this is done. Now our heart-shaped trinket tray is completely dried for one day. Now I am making it soft and smoothen the surface using sandpaper. So before coloring your tray, you should sand your tray so that it will be more smooth and all uneven design will get out. And now I'm coloring the base using the baby pink acrylic color. You can also use chalk paints. Also coloring from border. And then on top edge I am applying white acrylic color. So it's dried. Now I'm sticking this scalloped circle exactly in the center. then decorating it using some hearts, birds, and also the bow. And then it's time to varnish it. So here I am using varnish by Pebeo brand. This is a gloss varnish, and in this way our cute, super duper beautiful trinket tray for Valentine's Day or for anniversary is ready. And this is nicely finished. Now you can use this to put earrings, finger rings, small clutches or keychains, and you can decorate your workspace or bedroom or dressing table with this beautiful handmade thing. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.